Hello guys! Welcome to my channel and I'm in WDC Dancer and I will dance guys and my name is Prince Ezekiel A. De La Paz. Please subscribe and one subscribe please. My subscribe is only one. Please subscribe now. My name is Prince Ezekiel Dela. Okay? Dela. Okay, guys? Dela. Prince Ezekiel Dela. Okay, guys. Let's go start now. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Nandito ako sa grass. Grass talaga. Ayan. Ay. Si stage na tayo kasi. Ngayon lang ako ano yun? 4:53 na, guys. 29%. Okay. Ang daming mga nandiyan. Nandito na tayo. Sana umalis na kayo, please. Kailangan ko na wala dito. Sana pupunta na kayo dito. Please join me now. Please, please. This game is Billy Stadio. Okay? Tomorrow, I will play this in 20. Lagi ko to guys nilalaro ha. Lagi ko to nilalaro. Magsabi tayo na I'm next. Uy, ako naman oh. Di naman kayo dancer. May pagganyan pa kayo. Papangit nyo naman. Gani. Ako nga, ang kulit nyo naman. Partners. Yaan nyo na nga yan, guys. Start na tayo po farm. Mamaya, magbibis tayo. 1. Okay? Magbibis. Bulaga. Ayan, mag-start na tayo kasi magkagabi na. Ayan na. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Lakasan natin. Music start. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ayo. That's where I went into trouble. I couldn't fly. Stuck inside this bubble. I can see the shade of your eyes like a hurricane. Sabayin nyo ako kumanta, guys. So I'm in the same. Cause I knew I was weak. I was undisciplined. Couldn't speak. Couldn't move. I was weak. I was on the throne. But I'm not asking for your try. I'm not asking for your heart. I'm asking for your try. Asking another insane. I think I really fall. Go, kayo naman! Fall. Gabog kayo na. Ulit guys, ulit. Ulit tayo. Kasi sila stop natin. Hoy, nakasabay ba kayo? Nakasabay? Comment and below, please. Okay? Okay. Sulat tayo. Ako naman next, guys. Ako naman. Naka-record ako. Ako naman. Naka-record. Ako naman. Naka-record ako. YouTuber. YouTuber! I'm YouTube. Ay guys, mali. Grabe. Pwede partner tayo. No way. No way. Tagal naman nila guys. Gusto ko nang sumayaw. Sige, pakantahan na lang tayo. Go. Go lang, go lang.
That's where I went into trouble. I couldn't fly 'cause I was stuck inside this bubble. I didn't see the shade.
Go lang guys, yun lang.
Came or the picture that no one saw. Drove me insane. Couldn't speak, couldn't move, I was weak, I was just believing. Couldn't speak, couldn't move, I was weak, I was overthrown. But I'm not
Asking for you.
time, I'm not asking for your heart. I'm not even asking for your hand. I'm really not asking a lot, just saying I
Think I'm in it.
for you. I think that we're beautiful. In your eyes, I could fly 'cause I was blind to the bad. You know I'm not ashamed. You're the best I ever had. But only for the record, you made me smile.
Go lang, kasi nag-aaway tayo. Yan lang. Comment kung nagagalit kayo dyan kasi like kasalanan, di ba? Okay, go! Stop lang natin. Sorry sa mga nag-aaway. Fun kick ko to eh. Fun kick natin to eh. Fun kick. Ba! Ano yun? Pink Pony Club. Fly.
Look at me across the room. I have been waiting so long.
What is that? Bro, hindi tayo mapili-pili guys. Ay na lang, next year na lang tayo mag-dance. And, okay, yung mga nakakanta dyan, sabi niyo na lang, sabi niyo na lang, sub. Kung nakita ko kayo naka-sub, that means, nakita ko kayo, kumanta kayo. Parang kumanta kayo. Ay, hindi, sabihin niyo na lang na, rainbow, carpet, anong tawag doon? Rainbow carpet ka. Basta rainbow carpet na lang sabi niyo. Kung nakita ko kayong naka-rainbow carpet, that means, kumanta kayo lahat. Okay? Bye-bye guys! Goodbye!